From last year, sales has decreased by minus 44.1%. However, the average price has only slightly decreased by minus 4.3%. For September, in Mississauga, the number of sales was 466 units. The average price, $1,032,889. The average selling price versus list price was 97%, and the average days on market was only 38 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 405 units. The average price, $1,007,324. The average selling price versus list price was 97%, and the average days on market was 36 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 167 units. The average price, $1.5 million, $34,810. The average selling price versus list price was 95%, and the average days on market was 38 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 153 units. The average price, $1,060,886. The average selling price versus list price was 96%, and the average days on market was 35 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 211 units. The average price, $1,059,736. The average selling price versus list price was 96%, and the average days on market was 35 days. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call. We're here to help.